What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I am part of a Christmas makeup collab. Guys, these makeup collabs have been so super fun, and I'm really excited to be a part of this one. Now, I did not have time to do an intro for this video. That's why I'm voicing it over. But just to give you guys a quick background, we are doing a Christmas makeup look, and then we will also be doing a New Year's makeup look. Now, for the Christmas makeup look, we have 6 channels involved, so please make sure that you check out all of the other channels. I will have links to their channels in the description box below. Without further ado, let's jump into my absolutely disastrous look. Okay guys, so here I am. I've already prepped my face and I'm just going to do my eyes for you. So we're going to start with this Hollywood Glam palette by IBY Beauty. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Leading Lady, which is like a shimmery kind of off-white color. I really like this one a lot. It goes on really nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and spread this out over to like the middle of my eye because I'm going to do like a half and half kind of situation. So literally, as you can see, I am slapping this all over my eyes and it's getting everywhere, which is just awesome. So I'll go ahead and clean that up later, but I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this other eye. So I'm just spreading it out with my fingers until about the midpoint of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with this Festival of Love palette by Beauty Creations, and I'm going to use the red color in this palette. So I'm going to go ahead and start at like the midpoint of my eye to the outer edge, and I'm just going to blend that out as best as I possibly can with my fingers. And I'm going to do this exact same thing to both eyes. Now what I love about this Beauty Creations palette is it doesn't really have a whole lot of fallout, and I think it's really well pigmented even though it doesn't have a ton of fallout, because I find that the palettes that have a lot of fallout are really pigmented well and the ones that don't aren't, but in this case they made the perfect formula for me anyway. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to go back in with this Hollywood Glam palette by IBY Beauty. I'm going to go back in with that off-white color, and I'm just going to go ahead and drag that across the red because I didn't want it to be so super bold, and I kind of wanted it to blend in a little bit better than it was. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to go in with this green eyeliner that I got on Amazon. I've already used it under my eye. Now my thought here was to go ahead and draw some holly leaves. So this is my first attempt. So I thought if I do like a weird outline and then I can just add the points later that would work. Yeah, that so didn't work. I mean, we got like a cactus kind of a thing happening right now. And then I thought I could go in and just like add the points and define it. And that's clearly not working. So here's round 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm like, how do I draw a holly leaf? So I'm like, all right, let me draw it on my hand first. I'm like, okay, that kind of looks like one. Let's try to do that same thing on my face. So here I go again. And I'm just kind of doing some squiggles. And I wanted to do like 3 was my original thought process. So I started really high on my eye here, and then I'm trying to do the middle one, and guys, it just was not working. So we're going to go ahead and try this one more time because this is not going well. So here I am, the third and final time. I'm just going to do 2 is what I decided. So now I'm going to go ahead, go in again. I'm just going to draw some really squiggly kind of lines for the leaves, and I'm going to do that just twice instead of 3 times, and I finally end up getting it to look okay. Totally does not look at all like I saw it in my head. I saw this beautiful kind of thing, and that's not what I got. So now that I have that done, I'm going in with this Glamour Eyes palette. It's Coastal Scents Glamour Eyes palette. I'm going to go in with this green because I originally thought that I wanted to color in the leaves. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea, but here's me coloring in the leaves with this eyeshadow, and it's not working well at all. So then I go ahead and pick up the eyeliner and just go ahead and start coloring it in with the eyeliner. Now, again, don't know what I was thinking here because I did all that. I looked at it and I'm like, that's not what I'm going for. So then I just draw a line on that bottom one. That's what I wanted it to look like. So that's what I do with the other one. Here's what I got so far. Whatever, it's fine. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this red eyeliner again that I got from Amazon. Then I'm just going to draw some little berries and yeah, I'm going to call it a day on this look, guys, because it's just not working out well. So I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side of my eye. And once I complete that, my look is almost done. I'm just going to add some like mascara and some lipstick. Then I'm ready to roll. And here it is, guys. Yay! It doesn't look good at all. I know that, guys, but I did the best that I can. So this is what my final look turned out like. And I just went ahead and added some green hair and a red headband to top it off. off. And then I'm going to also show you the outfit that I have on, which is this super cute, ugly Christmas dress. I love it. I think it is so super fun. My belt's crooked and everything else, guys. I was a hot mess in this video. My son interrupted me like 30 times while I was trying to get this done. So I'm lucky that I even have a video for you guys. Hopefully the New Year's look will go a lot better than this look, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so my look did not turn out at all like I saw it in my head. In my head, it was this totally awesome holly berry little, accent on the side of my eye, and I got this big blob of stuff on the side of my eye. But I would still totally wear this, to work in public, to a little Christmas party. I think it's still super cute. It's a good idea. I just did not execute it well at all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. And make sure that you check out all the other channels involved with this collab. I will have a link to all of their videos in the description box below. I am sure that they came up with far better looks than I did. So please make sure that you check them out to get some really fun ideas for your holiday looks. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!